Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to square an image in Photoshop. So go ahead and go to the search menu and type in Photoshop. When this window pops up, you can choose Open if you have an image on your desktop or on your computer. Otherwise, choose Create New. I'm going to choose Open. I'm going to go to the folder that has an image for this project, and it's called Rose. I'm going to go ahead and go to Image, Image Size, and I'm going to look at the dimensions. As you can see, it has the dimensions 960 pixel by 640. You take the lower number in order to square it. So that would be 640. Choose OK. You would then choose the rectangular marquee, go up to the option where it says Style and choose Fixed Size and type in 640 by 640 because that is the dimension. Now when you click down, go ahead and move that marquee until you're happy and choose Image, Crop. I'm now going to choose File, Save As. Make sure it's a JPEG in this case. That's really important. And I will call it Rose 1 and choose Save and then OK. Go ahead and at this time you can add your image to your PowerPoint or you can wait till later. I'm going to go ahead and add it now. I will select this auto shape. I will go to Shape Format and under the Shape Fill option I will click on that drop down arrow and choose Picture. I will go to From File and locate that folder that happens to be on my desktop. And I'm going to go ahead and add that first image. In this case it's Rose 1. I will now make changes and then add the second one to the After option. You can go ahead and replace these image sources. I'm going to go ahead and select all these and I'm going to type in Pixabay because that's where I got my first image. I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to make this rose pop out. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the zoom option here. And as you can see at the top, it's the plus sign. If it were the minus sign and you clicked on it, it would make it smaller. I need it bigger. So I'll choose the plus sign and I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go to a tool called the Quick Selection tool. And I'm just going to drag it out, and as you can see that rose has been selected nicely. Now this doesn't work this well on all images. It just happened to work really well with this pink flower. I would then choose Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. I'm going to go to the background layer. As you can see, if I hide that layer, you can see my rose. I'm going to the background layer. I'm going to choose Image, Adjust, and then I'm going to choose Desaturate. Now I'm going to go to View at 100% so you can see what's going on. I'm now going to choose File, Save As. I'm going to change it from Photoshop to JPEG and I will call this Rose 2 and then Save and then OK. I'm going back to the PowerPoint. On that slide I'll select the shape. You could also right click on that shape and choose the Fill Bucket picture from File and then there's the Rose 2. This concludes the session on how to square a copyright-friendly image, how to add it to your PowerPoint, and then a quick little tip on how to change an image. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.